The Pharaoh Pluto. Hey everybody, welcome. We are here. We're going over to DCA today because Halloween has arrived.
It's the first official day.
And there's a whole lot of stuff to see. We've seen a little bit of it in some of the preview videos, but today's the revial. It's officially here.
Done. So we're gonna go in there and check it out.
Yeah.
And hopefully we'll start off with a fun ride.
Yeah, let's go.
All these people here to see little old me.
That's right, Oogie Boogie. Ooh, we like the bunting that you've hung here, and look at that bat. All right, let's do this. Oh, hey, look, it's a new map. What is that?
Coco.
It's a little Coco thing. That's nice.
So that's back. You can see that. Like I think there's what, 5 or 6 shows.
Coco's back.
And annual pass holders can meet Miguel.
Oh, and he's like the puppet form as the guy controls. Like, yeah. Look at Oswald's decorated with purple bunting. Look at purple everywhere. I love that they choose the purple theme for DCA. Yeah, gone way batty. Look at the bat on the Hyperion Bridge. He's huge.
He looks more detailed than last year.
He does, and they've lost the purple kind of bunting or drapes that they put on there this year.
I don't remember the drapes there.
Yeah, they had a little bit of purple up there, as I recall.
Wow, what a difference in the shade. It's very hot and humid today.
And I don't see bats at Carthay this year.
Oh, you're right.
They did away with it, probably because they're doing other stuff. There's some bats up there above the candy store.
Oh, look up here.
That's where all the bats went. They went up top, above the stores.
The Headless Horseman's back.
Up there he is.
Oh boy.
Looking fiendish as ever. Look at the eyes of his trusty steed. They're like lasers. Yeah, nighttime's when he really comes alive, but there he is. Wow.
So to celebrate Cars Land getting its spooky overlay, we're gonna start today off with a ride on Radiator Springs Racer.
Ka-chow! And big shout out to Ink and Paint Co. for these awesome Halloween shirts, Minnie and Mickey pumpkin shirts.
Yay!
And of course, the entrance of Cars Land always has a little photo op where they changed the sign up. Look at that. And the witch car. Amazing. All right, entering Cars Land, and of course, the spider webbing, the chains, the distributor cap spiders, they're back. Look at even the witch's hat made out of the cone up on top of the pole. I never noticed that. Did they do that last year? Look at Mater's Jamboree, big bat wings this year. And of course, you got the Graveyard Jamboree sign. And you got Mummy Mater. It's Mummy Mater. He's wrapped up. All wrapped up, exactly.
Love it.
It's so good.
And there's our, what are those called?
Gas can pumpkin patch complete with the distributor cap spider over there and one crawling up the side of the building. Watch out, Katie. The posters are back. Look. Blackout on Route 66. Hocus Pocus. Undead Batteries. And Undead Batteries Jump Again, the sequel. Escape to Hitch Mountain. Oh, that's brilliant. It's one of my favorite movies, Escape to Witch Mountain, but that's a good take on it. A couple of big spiders right up there. And you gotta love they're almost like jack-o'-lanterns, but made up of entirely car parts, mufflers, tires, and cones. It's amazing. So we're almost to Radiator Springs. We're gonna get on our Fast Pass so we don't lose it, and then we're gonna come back and check out all the details around here because there's a bunch of stuff we just flew by.
We're like this.
Yeah, because we
gotta
get to the Fast Pass. You know how that works, right? But we'll go back and hose it down, as we say. But for now,
a minute to spare.
For now, we got to race.
Only a 35-minute wait.
World's only garage in a mirage. Stanley's Oasis. That's right, Katie. Radiator caps in all shapes and sizes. All right, we got a red car.
Majestic splendor of the drive Ornament Valley. Spark plug, hippie.
Racing!
Radiator Springs. Ka-chow! Ramon!
Ramones! Linda!
Now get out there and do it proud.
greatness.
I know, right?
So just getting off Radiator Springs over here, and look, this is a really fun area. It's like the town hall of Radiator Springs. And these faces that get made up of the jumper cables and the cones, really at night they're really cool too. But you gotta love the witch's car. Just amazing, the detail. And when you get closer, you realize that that wreath is all jumper cables and reflectors. And of course, at Radiator Springs Curios, they do a really good job of decorating the spooky trees. The haunted car wreck over here, he's really cool at night too. Wrapped around the tree, or the tree's like basically growing out of him. Get your hex on Route 66 as opposed to get your kicks on Route 66. I like that. The jack-o'-lantern gas pumps are always a favorite. Very spooky faces. And some 50-gallon drums of who knows what. And the Cozy Cone has gotten heavily into the theme. Look at these giant cone jack-o'-lantern faces. Even Lightning's got his costume on over there. More spiders crawling all around. And I love that they decorate each of the cones with a big face. I guess they must just repaint that every year. Stencil that on there and then paint back over it after it's over. That's my guess anyways. Mater says trunk or treat, and he's back again for another appearance. The haunted Toad car. It's a Mr. Toad's Wild Ride car turned into a spooky spider. Great photo op here at DCA. Even the oil cans make a jack-o'-lantern. I don't know if they did that last year, but that is really cool. Look at this sugar skull photo op here. Amazing, festive, with the cool flowers and the tire stacks. Come on. Luigi's getting in on the fun, honking Halloween with this very festive tire stack. Let me spin around to this side so you can see the color. It's like teeth and eyes. They're almost like jack-o'-lanterns made out of tires.
I guess it is.
And at night, obviously these lights will look amazing. The Horn of Plenty has gotten a Halloween upgrade as well. Look at all the spiders, jack-o'-lantern gas tanks. It's a cornucopia of Halloween goodness. Just noticing these ghoulish figures above Fillmore's up here. Never noticed those guys before. And of course, at night you see these better, but the light up trash cans. You can see the ghoulish face. As well as these guys here. Similar to Cozy Cone, they put the jack-o'-lantern faces over there. Pretty awesome. You know what's really cool, Katie?
Me?
Aside from that, the Redwood Creek Challenge right back there.
That's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be like a maze this year. It's like the Disney's first maze in a Halloween party. Really.
I'm so excited for that.
Because we've only had treat trails, but we're actually inside there.
So that's gonna be a little more like, even more awesome than it already is.
Oh yeah,
is what you're telling
and it's a perfect place for a spooky maze because it's already kind of,
it is,
you know, at
like
night.
In trees.
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
Awesome.
That's one of the things I'm looking most forward to.
For the Boogie Bash?
Yeah, for the Oogie Boogie Bash, because that's new, first of all. And, but up ahead, something very special.
He's a special bear.
He's one of our favorite bears. And look, there he is holding his jack-o'-lantern. And appropriately, the life vest is orange.
Yeah, that's gonna look so cool at night.
Right, because that thing lights up at night, right?
I believe so, yeah, because the real buckets do.
Yeah.
What a good way to promote their items.
Yeah. You can also buy this in a human size.
Yes.
Hey, look, Halloween themed Grizzly River Rapids. That was a themed pontoon raft, or whatever you want to call it. Making our way past the main drag. You know what I'm noticing is that DCA is purple.
Yeah.
Disneyland is orange. That's pretty much the breakdown of the theming, and you can see the flags down Hollywood Boulevard here. There's all the Halloween merch. It's been here for a little bit, but worth showing. It's all here.
Okay, so we went over to Schmoozies and we got some of the Halloween goodies. This is the caramel apple shake. So it actually has a caramel apple like whipped cream.
Yep,
so
that they make themselves.
That they make themselves.
Yep.
And then it comes with one of those caramel apple lollipops.
Oh boy.
Then it has a drizzle of caramel, and then like vanilla ice cream and, you know, apples. So it should taste really caramel apple-y.
And the cast member was raving about this.
Yeah, he said it was really good. Like they perfected it.
They've been working on this for years. Yeah, fine-tuning this thing. And this is now what we have, so.
Well, let's give her a try. I'm more curious. I'm gonna use this as a spoon here.
Oh, good idea.
Let's
And
see
it's
what this...
$7.49.
Yeah.
No pass discount here because it's technically a cart.
Okay. I was skeptical about this.
What do you think?
It's really good.
Okay.
I'm gonna set the caramel apple down, but I'm gonna try and take a drink of it. I actually really, really like it.
Really?
It's pretty tart. It's actually really tart, but I think if you were to like kind of alternate that and then grab some of the caramel, it actually tastes like a caramel apple.
And they've perfected this.
Yeah.
They've been working on this, fine-tuning this thing for a couple of years, the cast member was telling us.
Yeah,
so,
I would actually enjoy that again. Let's see what you think. Cheers, big ears.
oh yeah,
Right?
the tartness with the apple
Yeah.
and the caramel. It's a little
It's interesting. I mean, I would get it again though.
pretty tart though.
It is pretty tart.
If you're not into sour apple, I
You
would
might-
say steer
yeah.
away. Because it's very, I would say it's like a sour apple caramel, is what I would say.
I would actually agree. But I think they wanted the tart so that it would kind of match with the sweetness.
Yeah, to balance it out.
Yeah, because the caramel's really, really sweet. And I like that they give you, the lollipop too with it.
It's a good touch.
I've like.
That's your spoon.
This is your spoon.
Yeah.
There you go. Take a bite. Mmm. It's good like that, huh?
That's the way to do it.
Because of the caramel.
I suggest doing that.
Yep, I think that kind of actually, I think the caramel apple spoon is what did it, huh?
As Katie would say, I cannot be bothered.
Oh, and this beauty is the mini witch shake, which I am most excited about.
Which shake are you talking about right now? I thought you were talking about this one?
No.
Oh, this one. Catching up, sorry.
This is actually the prettiest of all the shakes.
It really is.
I just love the purple and the orange and the green and all of the sprinkles in there.
And I'm a fan of the Oreo ears.
I bet you are.
Yes, I am.
bet you Oreo.
Ah, see what you did there.
And then you'll be eating the bow today.
Oh, yeah, of course.
And now this is a mint chocolate chip. So
Okay.
I know you don't like mint chocolate chip, right?
No, I'm not a huge fan of mixing the chocolate and the mint.
It's so good though.
I'm glad you like it.
It's good. It's actually very milky.
Really?
Actually, it tastes more, not very minty at all.
Okay.
I almost think I like the caramel apple one better.
Interesting.
I'm really surprised to say that,
Well, I would say visually this wins.
but taste-wise, that wins.
That wins for taste.
And I'm gonna agree because the cast member that we were talking to said that.
Yeah, he agreed.
All right, this is for you.
Oh. Boy, thank you.
Oreo, Oreo. You likey? The bow is waiting for you. Oh, that's cute. Is it white chocolate? I think it is because it's colored.
Yep.
And there you have it, folks. 2 shakes, Life Disney, I would say Life Disney approved. That one is better though, as far as taste-wise, because it's different. And it's also really hot, and that's very refreshing. This might be good when it was like cold and for dessert, you know. But it's very good, they're both very good. You can almost eat everything on this shake except for the straw. So that's good.
Still lots of popcorn buckets
What are these
over at
white-
DCA.
What's the white
There's the
one?
Oogie Boogies. And just highlights. All right, we jumped into one of the merch stores here at DCA, and look at Mickey.
We needed some air conditioning on our way out.
It's hot today. Summer has finally arrived in fall. It wasn't here all year, now it's finally here.
Yeah, it's weird, huh?
Yeah.
But we found.
But look at Mickey.
Vampire
There he is.
Mickey. And look at Minnie the Witch.
All right, there they are.
Oh wait, you can't see her bow. There we go. Look how cute she is. Oh my gosh, everybody's here.
Yeah, look at Chip and Dale.
And look at Pluto's here too.
Look at him.
Woo, woo, woo.
The Pharaoh Pluto.
I love
I wish he would
them.
wear that in the park as opposed to just his collar that they put him in.
because it's hard to see.
Yeah, you can't really tell that he's dressed up, but if he was the Pharaoh,
Do you
the
think,
mummy,
Do you think so?
he does, he agrees.
He's cute.
Absolutely. Hey, look, Katie, it's Vampirina.
Oh, man.
Vampirina. She's always in Halloween mode. All right, well that wraps it up. Our little DCA official Halloween time arrival video for you there. Hope you enjoyed that.
We are going to be coming back at nighttime because it honestly is a whole different experience at
Totally
night.
different experience.
We just wanted to make sure we could show you daytime at each park and then nighttime at each park.
Totally.
So we'll make sure to do that.
Just kicking it off. But if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up.
And please subscribe to our channel. That way you can see all the other great videos we have coming up. And when you do, make sure to turn on your bell notifications. That way you know when we go live and when we upload. And if you want to support our channel, you can become one of our Patreon members. We'll link all the information in the description box below.
We will, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody!
Bye!